Just a reminder that all proceeds from our YouTube channel are donated to charity. Please help us help others by giving us a thumbs up or subscribing to our channel. Your support makes a difference. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're at one of our favorite locations in the world, Blowing Rock, North Carolina. And as you can see, it is a lovely day here today. Blowing Rock is a charming town located in the Blue Ridge Mountains, or the high country of North Carolina. Over the course of several videos, we will tour some of the rooms at this new location, tour the restaurant with you, along with showing you menus and some of what we've eaten, let you know what we think the hits and misses are of this new hotel and restaurant, answer our subscribers' questions, and of course, all the time, give you some tips. So let's get to it. The first in our series of videos will be a walkthrough of a one-bedroom suite, suite number 212 at the Embers Hotel. The one-bedroom suite is the largest room available at the Embers. This can accommodate up to 4 persons. This suite can be combined with the room next door via an adjoining door and an adjoining balcony. And that room will accommodate an additional 2 persons. In this room, you will find a large bathroom with entrances from the hallway and from the bedroom area, a large living area, and a large bedroom area with a sitting area and a bed, and then 2 separate balconies. The living area has a large sofa and nesting tables. This sofa can be converted into a full or queen-size bed. Please ask the staff of the Embers if you need help assembling this bed or if you need additional linens. Essentially, the base of this couch will slide out, making it into a flat bed. There are 2 large flat-screen televisions in this suite. One is in the living area and the other is in the bedroom area. They have capability of cable and streaming. There is a large console of cabinetry near the entrance to the balcony. In it you'll find an upright refrigerator, and this is not a minibar. And this refrigerator is large enough that you could accommodate some snacks, beverages, and even a bottle of wine. Additionally, you'll find some large drawers, a sink, and an Illy Nespresso coffee maker. The bedroom area is really one of the highlights of this room. When you enter the bedroom area, you'll find some additional cabinetry with hooks above it, and we just love these hooks because they're made of stone and really reflect the local stone that you'll find here in Blowing Rock. Below that, you'll find 2 drawers, and the top drawer does have your safe. And this safe is definitely large enough to accommodate a full-size laptop, tablets, phones, and any other valuables you may have. In front of the bed is a sitting area with a large leather sofa facing an adjustable fireplace, and this fireplace can be adjusted with a remote control that's on the wall. We'll show you that in just a little bit. Another large flat-screen television with cable and streaming capability is located above the mantel, and on the mantel you'll find outlets for HDMI, USB-C, USB-A, and US outlets. The closet cabinetry are located near the bed, and there's even similar outlets here. You'll find plenty of drawers to store your things, as well as a closet with rolling barn doors to open. You'll find that these sliding barn doors are a feature throughout the entire Embers Hotel. Inside the closet, you'll find your robes, slippers, a steamer, and an extra blanket. And to the right of the closet are additional drawers and additional outlets and 1 shelf. Next to the bed are small bedstands, and above the bedstands are USB-A, USB-C, and US outlets, and there are 2 of each. Each bedstand has 3 small drawers. As we told you earlier, the bathroom can be entered either from the entry hallway or from the bedroom. Of course, you can be assured to have privacy because of the rolling style barn doors. The bathroom is large and well lit. It has a double sink vanity with shelving on each side. The fixtures throughout the bathroom are oil rub bronze. And the shower itself is lovely with a rain shower head as well as a handheld option. And if you've watched our channel, you definitely know that we do not like shower curtains, and we love the shower doors on this shower. Toiletries are by Grown Alchemist, developed in Australia, but we know is a New York Fashion Week favorite. Honestly, we love the floors and the entries to these showers as much as we love the shower design itself. And we love these granite countertops, and let me just tell you that these really reflect the type of rock that you'll find here in the high country of North Carolina. There is a lighted magnifying mirror in every bathroom, including this one. Privacy in the commode areas by another sliding door. But as we told you before, the sliding barn-type doors are a theme in this room. And you can also have privacy in the bedroom area and separate it from the living room area by sliding barn doors. Besides television remotes, you'll also find some remotes and some other controls on the wall of the bedroom area. One of these remotes operates the blinds in the room, and only the suites have remote control operated blinds. There is a separate remote control for the blinds in the living room area. There is also a control for the fireplace on the wall, and with this you can increase the flame size and the heat or the fan level. As we told you earlier, there are 2 balconies for this 1-bedroom suite. One of them is a private balcony over the front of the hotel, and this one is the smaller of the 2 balconies. It is accessed from the bedroom area itself. On it you will find 2 rocking chairs and 1 occasional table. The other balcony can be accessed from the living room area, and this faces the main area of Blowing Rock. On it you'll find 2 additional rocking chairs and an occasional table. There is a green divider that can be opened if you have purchased the adjoining room. This balcony is unobstructed below or above, but it does have an overhang, so you'll have some shade. It does not connect to the private balcony off of the bedroom. This will not be our full hits and misses video, but at first glance, we think this is a lovely room that maximizes space and doesn't feel crowded. We can definitely picture ourselves enjoying the sitting area of the bedroom with a book, coffee, or cocktails any time of year. The technology in this room is awesome. And the things we really liked are the remote control blinds and even being able to adjust the temperature and ambiance of the fireplace with a click. This room would be perfect for couples wanting a special experience, or couples who may need more room to spread out, families traveling together because of the convertible couch or the ability of having an adjoining room. And we love this location because it is so central to the things we like to do in the North Carolina high country. And the last thing that we really love about this hotel, and we'll get to this in more detail in future videos, is that it has a restaurant on site. And it's a restaurant that we have truly enjoyed. Well, that's it for now. Look for tours of other rooms at this new hotel, a review of our dining experiences, our opinion on the hits and misses with some tips, and then we'll get to our subscribers' questions. So please give us a thumbs up or subscribe, and remember that we donate all profits from social media to charity. And always remember to make meaningful and healthy travel happen, and we'll see you next time.